you are doing everything right. Great product, solid reviews, optimized keywords, but you still feel stuck. Here's what you might be missing. This. It's the brand story. And it might be the most underrated conversion booster on your entire Amazon page. But here's the catch, most Amazon sellers skip it or use it wrong. And that's a huge mistake because this is your chance to speak to your customers without saying a word. So, in this video, I will show you why brand story matters, what to include, and how to create one that's better than 90% of your competitors. Let's begin. Let's start with the big questions. Why should you even care about your brand story? Check out this listing from Dr. Squash. Right away, you see they are using their brand story smartly. First, they tell their origin story, how it all began. Then, they explain what makes them different from competitors. They showcase their main product, like their artisan bar soaps, and they add a clear link to visit their Amazon storefront. Now, imagine you are a shopper looking for artisan soap. You click the listing, scroll down, and you still unsure, but then you hit the brand story, you see their journey, the passion behind the product, what makes them stand out. Suddenly, you are emotionally invested. You add the product to cart and maybe even check out their whole storefront. That's the power of a good brand story. Now, beyond the storytelling, here what else a brand story can do. First thing is building trust. People want to know who they are buying from and then set you apart. You are not just another generic seller. Create emotional connection. People buy from brand they relate to. And the most important thing is boost click and sales. Because trust is equal conversions. This isn't just about pretty pictures. Storytelling meets sellings. And when you do it right, your listing transform from a product page to a real brand. So now, what are the criteria to have a brand story? So you must have a brand registry. If you are a vendor, then you can get access automatically. By the way, Amazon lets you add up to 19 cards. But remember, more isn't better. Better is better. So, what exactly should you include in your brand story? Let's break down what great brand stories include. Some sellers just drop product card with store links, but that's a missed opportunity. Instead, hear what we recommend. Who you are, your origin story. Did you start in your garage? Was this a passion project? Share your journey. Then, what you believe in, your mission, your values. Are you eco conscious, solving a pain point no one else noticed? Let people know. Why your product is different, flex your uniqueness. Is it craftsmanship, premium material, or scientific backing? Use behind the scene visuals. Show real team photos, your workshop, lifestyle shots, not stock images. And then add your top product plus store links. Make it easy for them to explore more from your brand. Your goal? Keep them engaged on your page longer. The more time they spend in your world, the more likely they are to trust and buy. Now let's look at the difference between a bad and a great brand story. A sign of a big brand story. Generic phrase like we care about quality, no visuals, or just boring lifeless stock photos, no clear story, just random facts, cluttered layout with no emotions or flow. See this one? The background is messy, making it hard to read the cards. And the first card, it just says heat resistance and food grade. No story, no vision, no emotions. It feels cold and forgettable. Now compare that to a good brand story. Here what's work. Clean calming background. First card share their story and what they stand for. They highlight bestseller with store links. And they build trust with badges like GMP certified, non GMO, lab verified. You see lifestyle visuals, you feel the vibe, and most importantly, it feels human. Now I'm going to share tips and tricks which makes the brand story good. Here are our best tips to create a brand story that actually converts. Use a real photo. Even phone pics work, just keep it authentic. Short, powerful copy. Write like you speak and avoid jargon. Speak with emotions. Share your why. Let people connect with the heart behind the brand. You must add these three cards: about us, our mission, what makes us different. Next, use strong visual callouts. Test and improve. Not every story hits right the first time. Tweak the images, change the copy, keep refining. Remember, your brand story isn't just a section, it's your silent salesperson. Most Amazon sellers ignore it, but not you. You are here to win. If you are not sure where to start, we have helped dozens of sellers craft a story that converts. Here are some real examples. Impress, right? Let's make your brand story the next success. Email us at info@ecommerce.com and let's build something memorable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more winning tips. See you in the next video. Bye bye.